Floodlight Cam is a security camera with floodlights at 110 volts. So you're going to need to find a place per the instructions and install it at a location you want security. What I'm going to be doing is demonstrating on a wall how to install this to the AC and setting up in a very basic detail operation. Protected by plastic on the top and bottom, wrapped up nice and neat, is the actual camera. The hardware, application, instructions, guidelines are all here in this package. Film protected that will come off when you complete the job and installation. Do not throw away this QR sticker. On the back is a gasket. The unit are 2 Phillips screws that you're going to take off. The back of the unit you're going to lift up and remove. On the bottom of the unit you can drape your leads through the area that this knockout hole. When hanging a bracket, you notice they give you a built-in tube level. Grab your base, just a level. Lock it down. You ran your leads, you shut your AC, the breaker off, you know which is your load and your neutral. They give you a hook. Let's say you put it on like so. Your installation is going to be up to you. You're going to tuck your wires in. You're going to place back on the base the best you can. You have these caps that go here. They plug the hole. You're given some more just in case you lose them or you want to do other things with them. We're going to turn the circuit breaker on. The light comes on. Took a couple of seconds to acknowledge. You take your smartphone and you start to scan for iOS. Once you're all set up, you have first add, manual add, video guidance. I can name this to whatever camera I want. I can follow the instructions on there. There's a symbol. It's asking me for my password. Connecting my device, 60 seconds. I'd love to go forward, show you how this product works, but with my Wi-Fi 6 and updated 5 gigahertz. This will need 2.5 gigahertz and older, so I won't be able to go any further. But that is the installation of the product that you can see the notifications. Please double check and confirm your password. Configuration successful. It needs that noise to talk. As you can see, I'm just putting this motion sensor on and off if I'm in view. The time zone. You could do a lot of different things with this application. Daylight savings time, which we're in. Save the time zone. Set the time. Reboot the system. You could go through all the settings and everything the camera has. The device's default password. Would like to modify it? No. Let's just get right to the actual view of the product. And there I am There you go. I have automatic light that I could turn on that you see just basically right here, just brightening up on the table. Shut it off. It has a siren. Oh man, heads up. That is loud. And it has an SOS to make a phone call, which I'm not going to touch. The reverb is the actual unit. You have a new product, storage, and so forth. I'm just quickly going through this and just to give you an idea what you have. And there you go. There's the camera. You can take video, photos, you name it. It has a date and time stamp. The product does pretty good. And it's got night vision, all that good stuff. On today's Wi-Fi 6, this product does not work for the latest and greatest routers on the market that I have. If you have the older 2.4 gigahertz, which this is only allowed to work on, this product will be right for you. It'll notify you of somebody walking in front via the smartphone and very easy to set up. If you find that you cannot connect up, then that is what the problem is, that you have a Wi-Fi 6 system, which I have. I can only demonstrate of the install, so I hope you can make a decision if this product may be right for you on your system. The lights do come on. It has a very big green light and 2 infrared lights telling you of night vision. So please check out further information online how this product works and the videos that they have. So I hope this was to your liking and you may find that this product will be right for you. 110 volts, hooked up, not solar power, and it's got some weight and it will need to have some drilling into the property and putting it outside depending where you want to have it. Thank you very much for your time and I hope the product fits your needs. Have a great day.